Hello friends, welcome to my channel Campus Info. So Drucare is hiring for the role of Python web developer. The job location for this role is Hyderabad, and the people who are freshers they are eligible for this job. So they are looking for the skill like they have currently knowledge in AI, ML, Python language, and have some working knowledge on framework like Flask, REST API, NumPy, Pandas, libraries, scikit-learn, Keras, and TensorFlow, having working knowledge of neural network libraries, big data tools, Hadoop, Spark, and have R programming or no SQL knowledge. So people who are having some knowledge in data science mostly are very good for this role and fit for this role and have some knowledge in Python programming. That will be good because they are looking for hands-on knowledge on Python and data science libraries. So that will play a key role during the hiring process. So guys who are interested for this role, I will post this job role link in the description. Apply for that link as soon as possible because the link may expire. So guys, thanks for watching. Please subscribe my channel, like my video. Thank you so much.